Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, as you saw the title and thumbnail, we have a Hot Wheels Case L we're unboxing. This is for the 2025 set. Before we get started with unboxing this, I do want to say I am currently doing a giveaway on my merch store. I'm giving away this Hot Wheel RLC 1990 Chevy 454 SS. Giving this away to one of you guys. All you have to do is hop on my merch store, and for every $5 you spend on Hot Wheels, you automatically get an entry into the giveaway. I will say a lot of the cars in this case will be on there, and I do have more cases coming and a lot of other awesome Hot Wheels on there. I even have some premium RLC, bunch of other collector cars, and so much more, so definitely go check it out, shopmtparadise.com. There's also going to be a link down in the description down below, so definitely go check it out. And there's going to be a lot of awesome new Hot Wheels in this case I'm excited to check out. I haven't really looked at exactly what's coming out. I know a couple of cars that should be in this case, so I'm really excited. But let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing of this case. I did notice that it is kind of damaged. You can see where it got smashed right here on that end. So I really hope there's nothing of value in that corner. But let me go ahead and carefully lay this on its side and bust this open. And if you guys, and like I said, I do have a lot more of these cases coming. So if you hop on there, if you hop onto my merch store and I don't have stuff available, I have more coming soon, so definitely go check that out. And as this video goes live, I should have most of these on there, if not all of them. But there will be a link in the description down below, so you guys can go check that out. But let's get started with the unboxing right up on top on that damaged corner. And let's see what we got. Ooh, okay. So we have the Mod Mill in a really nice orange. A Lotus Cortina. That's actually kind of new. Another new for 2025. That thing looks really cool. And then a Slide Burn. Oh, wow. That is a really nice pull. So there's the Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. The 90 Honda Civic EF. And we have the brand new Ferrari 365 GTB4 Competizione, and obviously new for 2025, and that thing looks incredible. Has the race stripes, the race numbers. And we did see the Ferrari SF90 as well as the F40 recently. This thing is really awesome, and I actually do have all the Ferraris available on my merch store. Well, at least all the new for 2025 ones. Man, and this will definitely be on there as well. I'm going to keep one for myself, but there should be multiple in the case. I'm going to set this aside so that nothing happens to it. And let's continue on. Ooh, oh, okay. We have the Honda Civic Custom, 70 Plymouth Superbird, and the Tesla Cyber Quad. We did see that before, but now it kind of has like a kind of gold looking or bronze looking front end on that. So that's pretty cool. We have the Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile, the Custom 18 Ford Mustang GT, and the Quick Chat, which is actually the little phone that's kind of like an old school Mattel toy. So if you guys have not seen that, you're probably too young. So that is really cool that they brought that little toy phone in. Alright, we have the Slide Kick, Little Roar, which is actually an off-road Mini Cooper, and the Drift Ender. Alright, we have the custom Kia EV6, the 69 Dodge Corvette Super B, and the King Cuda, which is actually a Plymouth Barracuda. Oh, that's actually, okay. We got the Honda S800 Racing, and this is actually the treasure hunt for the case. You see the little treasure hunt logo right there. And then let's see if we can turn this up on end. And there you go. You can see the treasure hunt logo right there on the card behind the car. So this right here is the treasure hunt for the 2025 L Case. That is really awesome that we were able to snag that. And man, this thing looks really cool. Also going to set that aside so nothing happens to it. We have the RD06 and the Ford Mustang Dark Horse. And that livery is actually the Now and Then, because we did see like the old school version. But man, that thing looks really cool. Oh, we're kind of snagged here. Oh, it's a bent card. man. So we have another King Kuda, and that card is very bent. And cars that have like creases like this will not be on my merch store, so don't worry. So that one I'm definitely not going to have on there. We also have the 66 Buick Riviera, and then the Monster Dairy Delivery. Alright. Oh, this is another really nice pull. So we have the Land Rover Defender 90, the Ferrari F40 Competizione, and the thing is super awesome. This was initially released in the K case, so it's awesome that we were able to get another one in this case. This will also be available on my merch store, so that's really awesome. And then the 2013 SRT Viper. And let me set that aside. Alright, we have another custom Kia EV6. The Aerodynamic. That thing's actually kind of cool looking. Then the 90 Honda Civic EF. Alright, we have the Revenger ST. Dune It Up. And custom 18 Ford Mustang GT. And the last three for the first half of the case. Oh, that's a really cool new color. On the Subaru BRZ, got a nice white color with that little livery on the side. 70 Plymouth Superbird, and another Honda Civic Custom. Alright, let's pull out the divider in the middle and get started on the bottom half of the case. Starting right up on top. Hopefully not damaged because this is that damaged corner. Oh, okay, we got the Pterodactyl, the Futurismo, and the 69 Dodge Corvette Super B. Alright, we have the Lotus Corneta, if I hope I'm saying that right. Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile, and the Audi 90 Quattro. Oh, that's kind of cool. Kind of an interesting pull. Got two of the same back to back. The Ford Escort in a really cool purple. Got two of those. And then the Volkswagen T3 Custom. Alright, we have the Pontiac Aztek Custom. The Gotta Go and McLaren Speedtail. Alright, the Crescendo, 75 Chevy Blazer Custom, and the Little Roar, which is also that off-road Mini Cooper. Oh, I really like this one, the Mad Mike Mazda RX-3 tuned, the Audi 90 Quattro, and Slide Burn. Let's see what else we got in here. Alright, we have a long block, which actually has kind of like some cool looking reflective paint when the light hits it. A mod mill and slide kick. Alright, we have another quick chat. The Blitz Speeder. Another Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile. Man, I have not even seen the regular version of what the Treasure Hunt or Super would be. So hopefully we get that soon, or at least get the Super. Oh, this is awesome. There's a Flippin' Fast, but we have a Porsche 911 GT3 RS. And that thing looks so cool. It's in like all pink, has a really cool livery on it. Some stripes on the hood. That thing is awesome looking. I don't know why I like that so much, but it's also a Now and Then. We did not see an older car with this livery, so I'm guessing we're going to have an old school Porsche 911 coming soon that'll also kind of have this pink livery, so that'll be kind of interesting. And we have another Pontiac Aztek Custom. Here's the McLaren Speedtail, but what would have been the Super would have been the 94 Bugatti EB110 SS in purple. This is the standard version, so we did not get the Super. but this thing still looks absolutely amazing. Even it's not just like a standard purple either. It kind of has like that bluish reflection. I don't know if you guys remember the, I think it's like a Datsun station wagon last year, or maybe the year before. They had like a purple color and then has like a blue reflective. So that thing looks really cool. And then we also have a street wiener. And then still have some more left in here. We have the Monteracer, Revenger ST, and a Volkswagen T3 Custom. And the last three for the case. Oh, wow, what a pull. I mean, that is a gorgeous pull. 3 Italian cars, all in red. We have the Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Super, the Ferrari 365 GTB4 Competizione, and the Ferrari F40 Competizione. So that is a really cool pull to end that case. Wow, that's actually kind of awesome. But hey, we got 4 Ferraris in that case, and we even got the regular treasure hunt. That case was pretty beat up, so I'm surprised that, like, there's only like a couple I've noticed that had some dents, and a lot of them were like fantasy cars. But let me know what you guys think of the new Ferrari that came out, as well as kind of like the one in the previous case, the F40. So, like I said, I still have some SF90s on my website as well as some of these. So definitely go check it out, shopemptyparadise.com. And like I said, whenever you make purchases on my merch store, automatically get entered into this giveaway. It does go to the end of August, so definitely go check that out. You have plenty of time. But if you guys did like the video, go down and hit the like button. Also hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, because I have a lot more cases coming all the time, and I have a lot more L cases coming. So like I said, if you guys do hop on my merch store, you don't see some of these things, just be a little patient. I will be getting a lot more coming in and a lot more going up on my site. But like I said, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.